Yeah, I'm under the suspicion it's conscious patterns. Because it doesn't matter how many times you redefine, remeasure anything, the initial assumption of measurement determines the outcome in any way, shape, or form. Yeah, I'm so serious. I don't even need to prove it via numerics. Essentially, what we're looking for is like what's in the dead center. And it's pretty, it's confusing at first, but then I asked, if buoyancy and gravity are polarities, what is the center point? What is the equilibrium? It's tension. It's tension and release. It's holding on to and then letting go, and then it's continuous fluctuation of the two. Here's why it matters. In terms of metaphysics, when you perceive or when you live within a state fulfilled, the act in itself is like fluctuation itself. Because you can hold on to something or you can let it go completely. But being in the state fulfilled is optimally fluctuation. You won't get around it. That's just how it is. So this implies that this chart is also 3D measurable. It's not just 2D. It's not just a Venn diagram. It's a 3D Venn diagram. It's a grid. You can make it a grid. So the geometric pattern theory by Garrett, Lisi, I believe that has a fundamental tie to this structure. It could probably tell us a lot more, not just 4 quadrants of reality or a subject. If I could only get my hands on the 3D model itself, I would make something. Because if I can use Metatron's cube in this diagram and fold it into 3D, essentially what I'm left with is a degree indicator sensing degrees of fluctuation and tension. Fluctuation of degree and intention between systems that we navigate through. I'm probably going to explore more other different concepts as well. I've applied this with consciousness and it works. I'll give you an example. The acceleration of conscious observation would equal the velocity of conscious observation, therefore making it a more active state, as where a restful state of conscious observation is a more passive state, which aligns with quadrants such as philosophy and religion. Tell you what though, I'll give you a freebie that I learned. Each and every single school of thought that I've attended has taught the importance of fluctuation and the importance of being within and letting go of, actively pursuing and then letting go of. Because there's a state in your pursuit that requires you to let go during the pursuit. It's like golfing. When you swing the 9-iron, there is tension and force, and as you release, that's where it whips. Essentially that's it.